So the first thing you have to make data source. If you don't have, you can make it with new file data source, and then you can save it in folder that you will have. The type of data source is UDPX. In this UDPX, you can input all of a file like SHP or TIFF or raster, vector raster data in one file called UDPX. After that, we can import dataset. In the Tsunami, we don't make Tsunami in first step, but we already have the full of Tsunami hazard. So where you can find it, in called Inaris. So this is platform where you can get all of data, hazard data in Indonesia. It's called Inaris. But unfortunately, Inaris is not the format can't open in Supermap because the format in Inaris just come with layer format, LYR format. That format just can be opened in ArcGIS only. So first we have to open it in ArcGIS. After that we convert it into raster like TIFF format. After that, we can get into Supermap. Bahaya means hazard. Apply. Here's the hazard map in Yogyakarta, as you can see, and this is the index about hazard: low, moderate, and high. And this is the area that tsunami hazard impact. After we download from this platform, we can import the data. DIY, it means Daerah Istimewa Yogyakarta. It calls Yogyakarta Special Region, and 49 is the UTM projection. And then go into raster. So there are three raster with three different bands. So we have to import it again in picture format. Image, in picture format. Add to new map that we had downloaded. After this, we have to import again. We have to import Yogyakarta province because we want to make map in Yogyakarta. Here's the file. In import mode, we can do override and import. Because we just make maps, import this into layer manager, just click add to current map. Unfortunately, there is background in Tsunami hazard. Maybe it's white background, so we have to remove it. So how to remove it? We just input into layer manager one of these bands, this band, and we have to convert this into vector data, vector comparator, and raster to vector. Yeah, because we want to make it into vector. So the data source, we have Tsunami here. In datasets, we have band 2 that we want to convert it into vector, band 2, and then the data source is Tsunami type region, type of save file. After that, we can rename it with Tsunami. And done. Okay. It finished. So here's the result. Add to current map. This is the shape file of Tsunami data. So we have to clip this data, Tsunami hazard data, with this shape file. So how we can do it? We can do it with choose the selection, select mode, the map clip in maps menu. Then we can go with map clip. After that, we choose the data that we want to clip. So here's I want to clip Tsunami data in picture format. So now that we have to delete it. Here's the data. Add to current map. Here's the data. So we can go to layouting this data. To create design, we have to go in layer style. In here we can choose design. So just choose transparent 100%. After this, we want to input label. So we just click right mouse and then go to create thematic map, and then go to label map, and then choose uniform. After this, we can change the name because we want to add the name of district here in Yogyakarta. To edit the label, we can go with modify thematic map. We can choose the expression that we want to show it. It's no option, I think. Yes. Because it just shows lemon, we have to edit. Just open those associated tables. So wherever we choose the area, with code, we can add the name of the region, of course. And finish, we can close it. After this, actually we can choose the style in this section. So I want to change the content change, and I want to make it bold so it could be clearly seen. Okay, I'm done. After that, I want to add placement with Google Maps. Okay. After that, we can choose. I want to choose hybrid, add to current. So here's the result. We have to add to current map again. Here's data. Just drag below, and here's the result. And also you can choose gradient here. So we have to save it first. So that's why we can, after save it, we can go to layout process. Okay. I'll save it with a name. So it will save in map database here. After that, we can make layouts in this database. New layout, here's the template. Maybe we can go with this one. Create. Okay, so here's the template. Because this template, it's so elegant, I love it. You can click right in your mouse and then go in properties. Yeah. The font, I want to click Sans because it's so cute. I love it. I saw my keyboard didn't work properly. I have to use screen keyboard. Just go in object operation, and then in maps feature we can choose shape of the map. So go in wrong because it neat, I think, in 3D. And select map. Map is the project that we had been saved before in maps database here. And then okay, so here's the result. To edit your position of your map, just click right in your mouse and then go focus to map. Yeah. And then click right mouse again and click focus map again to disappear the selected. So here's the corner, we have a line, right? So just go in properties and then we can disappear the line. It easily just click move. So the line is disappeared. After this, we want to add scale. Just go in object operation and then click your map and then scale. I'll make it scale. After that, I want to add number scale too. Choose the map first and make scale. Choose the number. And then we can styling our number scale. I want to go with comic sans and then bold. And font size is maybe around 18, maybe 20. We have to make it more neat. Just click your map. After that, click right in your mouse and go to the properties. And then we can change the scale here. Maybe we go around 575. So it will change your number of the scale. Maybe you want to add picture. I want to add picture here. We can put inside map. So just go with this and add to new map. So here's the map. After that, Yogyakarta area, add to current map, and go to full extent. Here's. After that, we can save as the map, and it will comes in maps database. After that, we can go to the layout again, put the maps again. Maybe I want to go with ellipse and choose the map inside. Okay, so here's the map inside, and then we can go to edit the position. Yeah. Okay. After that, maybe we want to remove this line, this square line. Just go. And then we have to disappear the line with move. And the square line has gone. We have to save our layout. Save layout. Looks cool. So that's how you make your maps. And another this actually I make this one map. So just isn't it beautiful? Hello guys, I'm Dina here. As usual, I'm representing my friends from Genova group in Yogyakarta. So in this Supermap competition, I want to tell you guys about the result of tsunami hazard map of the region of Yogyakarta. So let's check it out. Why we choose Yogyakarta? Because on July 17, 2006, a tectonic earthquake with a magnitude of 7.7 Richter occurred, centered in southern West Java at a depth of 10 km below the seafloor. And this earthquake resulted in a tsunami measuring 3.4 meters in height. The significant strength of this earthquake led to a tsunami that affected the entire southern coast, from West Java to Yogyakarta and its surroundings, claiming the lives of at least hundreds of people. As a result, the province of Yogyakarta was chosen as a case study for this map. And what is a tsunami? Tsunami is the phenomenon we call tsunami, a series of large waves of extremely long wavelength and period usually generated by a violent, impulsive undersea disturbance or activity near the coast or in the ocean. When a sudden displacement of a large volume of water occurs, or if the seafloor is suddenly raised or dropped by an earthquake, the tsunami waves can be formed. So the waves travel out of the area of origin and can be extremely dangerous and damaging when they reach the shore. From UNESCO. Next, we have tsunami hazard map here. This map provides a strong visual representation of areas vulnerable to tsunami hazard. And as you can see here, a lot of red indicator that have the highest reach value of 0 until 0.3, while the tsunami hazard represents influence of 0.3 until 0.6, and then with green colors has 0.6 until 1 values. And indicating the extent of hazard in Yogyakarta, it has 1,189,655 kilometers area. As you can see here, the highest tsunami allowed in Konproko and Bantul because it's the big shape of hazard tsunami here, and representing the house and roads with the pink color, and also here's the blue color is representing the rivers that are potentially affected by tsunami, of course. And here, the area that impact in Konproko and Bantul Regency. Tsunami prediction in Bantul and Konproko, there are only 2 villages in the special region of Yogyakarta that have been declared by the Governmental Oceanographic Commission's UNESCO to be areas ready to face a tsunami. These villages are in Gunung Regency and Konproko Regency. Based on the disaster risk map in the Bantul Regency area, there are several points that have the potential to be affected. If there is a megatrust, the water level tsunami will reach 22 meters. Therefore, it is anticipated that the availability of evacuated maps, signs to be gathered points, the functioning of the tsunami early warning system, and regular outreach to the public about the dangers of tsunami. The information that we obtained as follows. We have first the definition of tsunami and the factors of the result of tsunami. So the phenomenon we call tsunami is a series of large waves of extremely long wavelength and period usually generated by a violent, impulsive undersea disturbance or activity near to the coast or in the ocean. The main factor caused tsunami is earthquake. As a result, many lives and property were lost. And the second, we have the purpose of tsunami hazard map and how to mitigate it. The significant strength of this earthquake led to a tsunami that affected the entire southern coast from West Java to Yogyakarta and its surrounding on July 17, 2006. As a result, the province of Yogyakarta was chosen as a case study for tsunami mapping. With this map in place, stakeholders, local government, and the community can better understand the potential tsunami hazard in the DIY province. It aids in designing evacuation plans, also constructing improved coastal defense structure, and developing more effective mitigation strategies. And third, we have Great Tsunami Hazard Map in Supermap. The final, the fourth, we have the highest tsunami hazard in the district of Yogyakarta. So based on the map that we already seen before, the largest potentially impact area along with its object are Konproko and Bantul Regency, as prediction 2 villages on Gunung Dipo Regency and 1 in Konproko Regency have been declared tsunami ready by the Intergovernmental Oceanographic Commission. The disaster risk map for Bantul Regency identifies several vulnerable points where our megatrust even could result in a 22-meter tsunami. To address this risk, it is essential to prepare evacuation maps, install gathering point signs, maintain the tsunami early warning system, and regularly educate the public about tsunami dangers. So that's all from me, guys. Thank you for watching my video and see you next time.